Alright, in today's video I'm going to show you how you make native jollof rice, Nigerian native jollof rice, exactly what you see on the screen. So please don't go away. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Let's cook this yummy native jollof rice together. I have tomato paste. I made this tomato paste with red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, little ginger, garlic, onions, and tomato to get this reddish tomato paste for our native jollof rice. Then I have locust beans. Native jollof rice is not complete without locust beans. I have crayfish. Then I'm using dry sardine or herrings. Give this a try. This very fish gives a very nice taste to your native jollof rice. If you've not tried it, give it a try and give me your feedback at the comment section. Then I have dry scent leaf. Scent leaf gives a very nice aroma and a nice taste to your native jollof rice. A very nice flavor. Alright, I have kpomo or cow skin. I have fresh Titus fish I will use to garnish the native jollof rice. Then I have chopped onions, salt, I have seasoning cube, I have palm oil. It must be cooked with palm oil. I have 6 cups of rice. I have freshly chopped tomato I will use to garnish the native jollof rice after cooking. I also have freshly chopped green pepper for garnishing. Then I'm using chicken stock for today's tutorial. You could use any other stock like beef stock. So after my pork gets dry on fire, I'll just add the palm oil. Native jollof rice, you don't need to blanch the palm oil. So when my palm oil gets hot, I add the chopped onions. After adding the chopped onions, I stir this for 2 good minutes. Stir it for 2 good minutes. It gives a very nice taste to your native jollof rice, a very nice flavor to your native jollof rice. After stirring it for 2 minutes, I add crayfish. Crayfish gives a very nice taste to your native jollof rice, so I add it before adding the tomato paste. Doing this gives a very nice aroma and a nice taste. So next, I'll add my tomato paste. Add the tomato paste and continue to stir. I'll stir this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. After stirring it for 5 minutes, I'll cover this for 5 good minutes so that the oil will come up. After 5 minutes, I'll add the locust beans. I'm using a fresh locust beans. You could use the dry one. The choice is yours. Then I'll add the dry sardine so it can cook properly and give a nice aroma and a nice flavor to the native jollof rice. Then I also add the kpomo, everything together. I'll cover this for 5 minutes to boil. After 5 minutes, stir it for 10 minutes. After stirring it for 10 minutes, next I will add 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dry scent leaf, ½ teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. And after adding all this seasoning, I'll stir it together and cover it for another 5 minutes to cook. After 5 minutes, this is what our stew for native jollof rice look like. Next, I will add the meat stock. Add the meat stock and use your stick or a spoon to blend it together. Then cover it to boil together for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the stock is ready for the rice. Then I will add my already washed rice. I'll add the already washed rice and then use the spoon to spread it around so that it won't burn one side. After that, I'll cover this to cook for 25 minutes on a low heat so that the seasoning can get into the rice properly. After 5 minutes, I open the pot to check if the rice has softened with my hand, and it is not softened, so I will add 250 ml of water. And I will cover it to cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the rice is almost cooked, but it is not cooked, so don't go away everyone. Let's finish the cooking together. So the rice is not cooked, the water is not dried, so I'm going to cover it for another 5 minutes for the water to dry. All right, after 5 minutes, the rice is dried, so I will check it to know if it is softened and ready to be eaten. Of course, the rice is cooked, so at this point I'm going to use a turning stick to turn it so that the seasoning, everything blends together. It is getting dark, so I'm taking it outside for you to see the color. So this is what our native jollof rice look like. If it is not this color, then it is not native jollof rice. It is not Nigerian native jollof rice. All right, thank all my genuine subscribers for watching. I just finished garnishing it with the fresh tomato, green pepper, the Titus fish, and also the plantain. All right, thank you everyone for watching. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. Like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.